Mia.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We're cutting up crab apples for the recipe we're gonna do in this video.
What is this one?
What?
What is this video?
Oh, we're making crab apple butter.
Watch your finger!
You're gonna make me cut my finger. It wouldn't come out, the knife wouldn't come out.
Crazy Girl and I are gonna make crab apple butter.
Yummy.
We were gifted a bunch of crab apples. This isn't even half of them.
Wait, should I take the seeds out?
It says no, it says leave the core and the stems while you're boiling them because the pectin, which is what firms up the butter, is in the core, and then the outside skins have all the flavor. That's what it says.
The link to this recipe will also be down below.
Yep. All right, here we go. All right, so Mia just expertly cut all of our apples.
Expertly.
How many apples was that?
I don't know how many. I wasn't counting.
But it was?
But it was 64 ounces of apples.
Which is?
4 pounds.
4 pounds of apples.
Wait.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right?
I think so.
I hope so. You did the math. All right.
Yeah, I did do
4 pounds of apples. We have 2 cups of water. And
1 cup of apple cider vinegar.
it's gonna go in the pot.
Fast forward. What? No, that's not for water. It's for your bed kit.
All right, and now we are going to boil. Look who's right there.
This is Jeffrey, as you saw by our introduction video.
Hey, Jeffrey cat. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're too cute, Mia. Oh, you're too cute, Jeffrey cat.
This is Daddy's baby.
Yep. All right.
Now I've got Jeff hair in my nose.
All right. We are going to time lapse this, and then we'll show you the next step when it's time.
The apples are going to be on the stove for 20 minutes, so here's our time lapse. As you can see here, we tried to use a spatula to push the apples through a sieve, which ended up not working. So we used a food processor to process the apples for about 10 seconds, and that made them nice and gooey and creamy. And now we will cut to us adding in the ingredients. All right, so now we're gonna add 5 cups of sugar into this. 4 cups.
4 cups of sugar, and then a half a cup for every cup of pulp, but we didn't measure it that way. We did it differently. So we're just gonna add it all together. And it's gonna do one more cook for 1 to 2 hours on the stove. We need lemon.
2 teaspoons of cinnamon first. All right, so we're just gonna pour all this lemon juice in there. Oh, well. After this, we're gonna cook the apple mixture, stirring often, which is actually what we're doing now. Cook the apple mixture uncovered in a large, wide, thick-bottomed pot on medium-low heat, stirring often to prevent burning. Scrape the bottom of the pot while you stir to make sure a crust is not forming at the bottom. Cook until thick and smooth, about 1 to 2 hours. A small bit spooned onto a chilled in the freezer plate will be thick, not runny.
Tastes super good already. But this is where we'll end it for tonight, and then in the morning, Mia will show you what the result is.
Our apple butters are finally done. They were cooking on the stove for 2 hours off camera, and now they were sitting in the fridge overnight And now they are finally ready. They smell really good. They taste really good. 3 jars full. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. We will do our best to answer them. Turn on post notifications to be notified when we post a new